This is Kayad, Kayad International, Bari International. There are two companies working for five Shamsa Hotel. You can see the images, these images of Kayad and Albari International. Kayad project, Albari International, same place. I am standing closer to Dominion Mall. Look at that. This is Dominion Mall. It is not visible, only part of Dominion Mall is visible. And go back to the statue. How much statue is far away? This is the statue. And where is the Crescent Lake Tower office? This is the Crescent Lake Tower office. And this is the statue. And that is the ZEM projects and PC, and chains of many malls are being formed and which are not visible now due to the dark, but I just wanted to show the exact position of Kayad project. Look at from Dominion Mall how it looks like. This is Dominion Mall, which will be working in coming days, almost ready, and finishing work is going on. This is the big mall of the phase 8, and look at the Kayad and product of Kayad. That is also a hotel, and look at the location. And these are also the malls which are in round status. Continue from the Dominion Mall, and one is a Crescent Lake Tower just in my front, and their office is, this is their office. You can see the office of the Crescent Lake Tower, and this is the statue. And now closer to the statue, now this is right side ZEM project, and then comes the gold market, which is visible, not visible. I think I should no, might be visible. I just see, I think that might not be visible from here, and yes, now it's visible. This is the gold market, and then comes the chains of the malls coming from right to left, and also in my front, continuing from Dominion Mall, here are the chains of malls in round status. Eiffel Tower is also Hash Mall, and Eiffel Tower is also just closer to Dominion Mall. And now once again I will show you the position of Hash Mall. The objective of this clip to show is that Hash Mall, Eiffel Mall, Dominion Mall, Lake Tower, the Lotus, Arch Product, Grand Millennium, Lotus, Nexus Mall, the PC Hotel, China Center, and Divine Project, all projects are vicinal, but the Kayad project is more prominent from here, just facing the Dominion Mall, height wise and location wise. Thank you very much.